Hey gamers, getting error 204 when logging in or launching your game? Don't worry, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to fix error 204 when logging in or launching a game. So let's dive in. Step 1. Check server status. Error 204 often means server issues. First, check if the game's servers are online. Visit the game's official website or social media, like X or Discord, for server status updates. If servers are down, wait a bit and try again later. Step 2. Restart and update. If servers are up, close the game and your launcher, like Steam or Epic Games. Restart your PC or console, then reopen the launcher and check for updates. Make sure both the game and launcher are fully updated, as error 204 can be caused by outdated files. Step 3. Clear cache or reinstall. Still seeing error 204? Clear your launcher's cache. For Steam, go to %appdata.steam and delete the app cache folder. For Epic, clear the cache in the launcher settings. If that doesn't work, uninstall and reinstall the game to fix any corrupted files. That's it. These steps should fix error 204. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching.